Greenhouse effect, a natural phenomena that is responsible for heating of earth surface and atmosphere with with the help of greenhouse gases for normal life survival on the earth is called greenhouse effect. In other words, the greenhouse effect takes place when sun rays heat the earth. This heat is absorbed by the surface of the earth and radiated back into the atmosphere. The term greenhouse effect has been derived from a greenhouse. It is a small glass house that is used for growing plants, especially during winter. विंटर में एक ग्लास हाउस बना करके प्लांटेशन करते हैं इनसाइड, एंड इन अ ग्रीन हाउस द ग्लास पैनल लेट्स द लाइट इन, और उस ग्लास हाउस के अंदर जो ग्लास पैनल हैं उस सरफेस से लाइट इनसाइड आती है, बट इनसाइड से जो गैसेस हैं रिलीज़ हो रही कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड वो एटमॉस्फेयर में नहीं जा पाती, वो ट्रैप हो जाती है, but does not allow heat to escape. Thus the greenhouse warms up and maintain temperature. Without greenhouse effect, the average temperature at surface of earth would have been 18 degrees centigrade, chilly rather than the present average of 15 degrees centigrade. Let us understand the mechanism of greenhouse effect. The solar radiation reaches the outermost atmosphere. Clouds and gases reflect about 1/4 of the incoming solar radiation. It absorbs some of it, but almost half of incoming solar radiation falls on Earth's surface. It warms the earth's surface, but a small proportion is reflected back. Earth's surface emits heat in the form of infrared radiation, but part of this does not escape into space as atmospheric gases absorbs radiate heat energy, a major part of which again comes to earth's surface. It thus heats the earth's surface once again. This cycle is repeated many a time to maintain greenhouse effect. The greenhouse gases includes carbon dioxide, methane, chlorofluorocarbons 14%, carbon dioxide 60%, methane 20%, chlorofluorocarbon 14%, and N2O 6%. Carbon dioxide and methane are commonly known as greenhouse gases because they are responsible for the greenhouse effect. The most important question for board examination: write the name of greenhouse gases. You know the greenhouse gas methane and carbon dioxide, and then others. Most important gases carbon dioxide and methane. And next topic is global warming. Global warming refers heating of earth or rise of average atmospheric temperature due to increase in the level of greenhouse gases. Greenhouse gas के बढ़ने के साथ साथ ही atmospheric temperature भी बढ़ता है. The temperature of earth has increased by 0.6 degree centigrade during the last 3 decades. This rise the temperature is leading to harmful changes in the environment. It causes odd climatic changes or climatic shifting. It leads to increased melting of polar ice cap and Himalayas snow caps over many years. This will result in a rise in sea level that can submerge many coastal areas. Thus, increase in the greenhouse gases result the global warming. These are obtained as follows, like this: CO2, from animal respiration, burning fossil fuel from homes, automobiles and biomass burning etc. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड के ये सोर्सेज हैं. एंड सेकेंड CH4, मीथेन फ्रॉम मार्शेज, paddy field, biogas plants etc. CFCs from refrigerator and air conditioners, इनसे निकलते हैं ये. N2O from automobile exhaust industries and organic matter and fertilizers by microbes. Global warming can be controlled by cutting down use of fossil fuel, improving efficiency of energy uses, reducing deforestation, planting trees and slowing down the growth of human population. And explain the relationship between the greenhouse effect and global warming. Greenhouse gases CO2, CH4, N2O and CFCs allow the solar radiations to enter but prevent the escape of heat radiations of longer wavelength. जो हाई या लंबी वेवलेंथ वाली रेज होती हैं वो इंसर्ट हो जाती हैं एटमॉस्फेयर में और हीट करती हैं अर्थ को. एंड लोअर जो होती हैं वेवलेंथ वाली वो रिफ्लेक्ट हो जाती हैं. एटमॉस्फेरिक मीन्स ब्लैंकेट लाइक एटमॉस्फेयर, एंड स्ट्रेटोस्फीयर, मीसोस्फीयर एंड आयनोस्फीयर.